cups. Since I don't have a tablespoon, I'm going to use for these bad boys. Four. Hey. Stay on there. Perfect. That's it. Okay. Now that I read the directions, I know how to do this one. Perfect. Or not. Maybe too much. Oh shit. It's about to spill. Oh shit. Fuck. Oh shit. So that was too much. Oops. Little too much. That's alright. We'll get the next one. Shit. Nope, I won't be the first or last. So, yeah. But they gave when you buy the thing, they give you this cup, and it's a perfect pour cup. So you can. I'm gonna pour the mix into this one this time, and then it'll be perfect. And I read the directions, and I should have known better. But you know, what fun is that? Oh boy. Yeesh. A lot. Super hot too. Oh, shit. All right. Let's hope this comes out the way it's supposed to. Please, God, let this come out right. Oh shit. And would you look at that? Perfect. Yes! Did it again! I made another perfect waffle minus the spill. Look at that. Look at it. Oh, I forgot to spray it again. Damn it. Huh?
Dude, what the heck?
What?
Forgot to spray it.
I forgot to spray. No, that's the extra mix or whatever. Yeah, I forgot to spray it. Oh no, I'm doing a Facebook Live thing. Yeah. Oopsie. All right, come on. Okay, look at this. Look at that. Hey, buddy. Look at that. Perfect. Minus the spill. Minus the spill. All right. Now we gotta get this out. Perfect. All right. Now we're gonna spray it this time with some butter. I think that's enough. I don't know how much it is. All right. So now we're gonna use the egg or the thing. Close that bitch up. And then we're gonna pour it into this cup. All right. That does not seem like enough.
What?
I don't think that's enough. We're gonna pour some more in there. That's enough. Okay, maybe a little bit too much. Shit. Oh well. Oh, we might have just lucked out. Wait, did I not pour the milk in? Shit, did I? Did I pour the milk in? Huh. I don't think I did. Did I? Did I pour the milk in? Anybody remember? I don't think I did. I might have, but no. It's got more milk in it now. All right. Moment of truth. Hey, 2 perfect waffles. I am amazing. No, I did another one. I did another one. 2 perfect waffles. Man, y'all don't even know. Oh, this one's even better. All fluffy. Look at that. Look at that. Bam! Another perfect waffle. Nice. We ball now. Oh, shit. There's no way that's a perfect pour. No way. Find out. I can't see the thing. Nope. There we go. It's right there. There's 2 perfect waffles right there. Oh, that's what you want to do?
Or for now, because I'm gonna come eat 2 weeks.
Huh?
And you guys can eat how you do.
It's. Oh, come on. Shit. Huh? What? Almost done. Yeah, it's always messy, man. All right, last one is done. Let's see what it looks like. Perfect. Yes. 3 for 3. Perfect waffle. Perfect, 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 perfect. Look at that. Oh my God. Look at this. This is just, that is amazing how I just did that. I mean, the line starts around the corner. So y'all want to get some? Hold on. This is what I just made. 3 ginormous waffles. And they look good. They're not burnt. They feel good. So, yes. Yes. Oh, yeah, I'm definitely down to test out some other waffle makers because I don't read the directions. I'm going to just find out how it works and then break it. But this is awesome. I did not screw it up. That is pretty amazing. I don't understand what to do with this part. I don't know if y'all can see this, but it's like this top part at the lid where the lip is, where you pull from the top, there's always this extra stuff in there. It's like a extra little mini waffle, something. Well, we're gonna keep that little guy. I also don't know how you wash this thing because it's got a cord on it, and the cord don't come off. I don't know how you do it. All right, okay. Stop beeping at me. But how do you? There's shit everywhere. Oops. Oh, well. All right, well, now it's time to eat. See y'all later.